It all starts with the clinking wind chimes on the cool summer day. The crashing waves start to beat a rhythm as you smell the scent of seaweed and salt. You can hear the calming water as it passes through the rocks and shells, giving it a final cleaning for the day. The eerie black midnight sky is lit up by the dancing moon. That moon was the most beautiful light you have ever seen. So golden and perfect, it could be worth millions of dollars just to see it. Stars start to twinkle, and the cool summer breeze hits your soft, warm skin. It sweeps all your worries away, like a refreshing burst of clarity. All you can think about now is nothing. Absolutely nothing. You are completely relaxed with happiness. Happiness that was the gentle melodies of nature's tunes.